Wow, and that is only just one pass.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel if you are new, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys my straight hair routine. And honestly, I'm so excited. I haven't straightened my hair in a while, and I just want to say thank you to Tymo for sponsoring today's video. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. So before the blow dry process, I went in with the Tymo heat protectant mist, and honestly, this spray smells so amazing, and I love the packaging. It's actually glass. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair completely, and I couldn't find my nozzle for my blow dryer, so please don't judge me. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. The key to getting nice, flowy, straight hair is you want to make sure your hair is completely dry. So I'm just gonna go in, blow dry my hair, and then I'll be back once we get to the straightening process.
Hold down, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage. Yeah.
So this is my hair fully dried. Tymo was so nice enough to send me their Tymo Ring Plus. So I'm so excited to try it out. When you receive your package, it comes with a little information card. It actually comes with everything you'll need to straighten your hair. So it comes with some clips. It also comes with a little like safety glove, which I didn't use in this video. It also comes with this cute little brush, and it also comes with a little velvet traveling bag. And honestly, I was so impressed with the quality of the straightening brush. Like, it's so sleek. It actually goes up to 410 degrees, and it heats up really fast. And actually straightened my hair on 110, and this is actually me just taking a small section. And you want to go slow and steady with this portion, and I recommend small sections. Wow, and that is only just one pass. I was honestly so shocked. I was not expecting it to just straighten my hair so well with just one pass. But I did go over the roots a little bit. What I did notice, it doesn't really get your ends really well. So you kind of have to go over your ends a few times. And I kind of put this part in like slow motion to kind of see how my ends come out. And this honestly makes straightening your hair super easy. Like, you don't have to go in with like a comb. Like, it just does everything for you, like literally. So I was honestly impressed, and look how like flowy that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. So I like to detangle each section, spray the heat protectant, and try to get as closest to the roots as I can, and just go in at a slower pace. What I do recommend though is try going in like smaller sections. That's what I'll probably do different the next time I do straighten my hair. And like I said, like, you kind of have to go over your ends a few times, but overall, like, it literally makes straightening your hair so easy. I'm so impressed. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my entire head, and I'll be back when we're almost done. And if you made it this far in the video, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. As I was straightening the other sections, I just wanted to add, if you use the brush that comes in the box with your Tymo straightening brush, it actually helps with your ends being more straight, where you don't have to go over it as many times as I was in the beginning. So that's one tip I learned while straightening my hair. Also, just wanted to give you guys a little close-up. So like I said, I'm just going to detangle, used a little brush, and I'm going to go in slow motion so you can actually see how my ends look going through the brush. And look at that. Perfect. So yes, definitely use the brush with the packaging that comes in the packaging. And then also too, you have to be really careful with your not your ends, your edges. So yeah, I just went over that a few times, and this is my hair so far. I honestly love the results. One thing I do notice though, that you really can't get close to your roots as you can with like a normal flat iron, but honestly you can always just go over that with like a hot comb. But this is one side completely done, and look at that. Like, is honestly, I'm just literally so shocked. Like, I was truly not expecting this brush to be this good, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete it, and I'll be back once I'm done. So this is my hair all done. I am in love with my results. It makes my hair feel so lightweight, so flowy. I love how much body it like gives my hair, and this is probably going to be like my favorite hot tool moving forward. So be sure you check my description box down below, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.